Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is RAYNNE, aka Riri. I'm a plus size model and a self-taught and freelance makeup artist here in North Carolina, and I love pizza. My absolute favorite is pepperoni, pineapple, and jalapenos. I know that sounds insane, but it's delicious, and I love it. I could eat it every single day, probably. And excuse my little shine. It is about 10:30 at night, and I've had this makeup on since about 11:30ish this morning. I have to say though, I'm pretty damn impressed because this is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette and my Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation, and I'm just saying, for 12 hours worth of makeup, damn near close to, I think I'm looking alright. Looking okay, you know. Anyways, today we are going to be unboxing April's Ipsy bag. I normally unbox my mother-in-law's as well, but she happened to be here the day that it came and we were doing family things, so she went ahead and opened hers. So obviously I've seen what she got, and I have also seen the bag, and it is so fucking cute, and I'm so excited. So let's jump right in. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month subscription where you receive a makeup bag and then typically 5 like try me travel size items. I love Ipsy. I love it a whole lot. So this is what our bag looks like. It is absolutely adorable. I love lemons. If you guys have been here longer than 2 seconds. I love lemons, anything lemon flavored, and actual lemons, and yellow is my favorite color. So I'm geeking out. This bag is fucking amazing, and I will for sure be keeping this bag this month. So let's see what our theme is. Build your dream bag. That's just telling you about the additional, oh yes, if you don't know, you can, on the 2nd of every month starting at 6 a.m., you'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe sample items or full-size items you want to your Ipsy bag. And there will be like a full-size range at the very top of that page when you click it, and everything there is $12. Like last month I believe it was, I'm pretty sure it was last month, I got a Huda Beauty palette for 12 bucks. And then you scroll further down and you have like $3 items. So you can pick up to 3 items each month on top of your regular Ipsy bag, and those will come in with it. So you'll see what I got for this month. So this is just a now in season fresh spring beauty, and of course we don't want to open it because we don't want any spoilers, so I'm gonna jump in. Oh man, it feels like fan brush. Damn. Okay, I don't like fan brushes at all. This is by BDB, Billion Dollar Brushes. I'm assuming the same people that make Billion Dollar Brows. Well, y'all know that how that went. But it is a fan brush. I can actually already see that some of the bristles are like loose and coming out. If my camera would focus, that would be fantastic. Sorry guys. Hopefully you can see there's like bristles sticking out from right here, and I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. So there's bristles sticking out. I am not a fan of fan brushes, but so I will be keeping this, and I'll probably just trim that little tiny hair off and gift this to somebody or sell it or something like that. I just don't like fan brushes. I don't ever feel like they are thick and dense enough for me personally to use. Y'all don't yell at me, but I just don't like them. So cute. I love that we got a brush. It actually feels really nice and substantial in the hand. But yeah, I just don't use fan brushes. Not a fan of them. Next is Moods by Laura Sanchez. I've never ever heard of this, but I like the packaging thus far. That is hella cute. Oh my gosh. That is really, really cute. So I'm assuming it's a single eyeshadow. Oh my god. That is beautiful. It is a beautiful like metallic hunter green. I will be keeping this. Y'all know Mama likes her greens. And that packaging, y'all, is every damn thing. I'm gonna have to look up this brand. I am not familiar with this brand at all. But that's really stinking cute, and I'm happy that I got this. I'm trying to find a shade, but I do not honestly even see it on here. So I'm sorry, and I suck. I just see 8321. So we got that. I'm really excited about this. I will be keeping this and using this. I love that. Next up is lipstick. From the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain in the shade I don't know. But it looks really cute, and I love the balm products, and I do like stains. Thank God it's not an actual lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at it. Oh yes, it's like a pretty kind of mauve-y nude shade. Doesn't have any smell, so that's a good thing. I will be keeping this. All right, now Ipsy stepping it up this month. Next up is a Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I did see this in my mother-in-law's bag as well. I'm actually really excited to try this. I love Tarte products, as y'all probably already know. And that's a pretty decent sample size. So I'm really excited about this, and I will update you guys on this too. And then the last product that's actually in my bag is Answer From Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. Hydration and protection, energizing and smoothing. That is what that looks like. I've tried a couple products from Answer From. I think like a little primer maybe before, and maybe some other kind of eye cream. But definitely I've tried these through Ipsy before, so I'll try it. I'll see if I like it. We'll see. So overall, bomb-ass bag. I love the fucking bag so much. And then my add-ons, I will take these out of the bag and show you guys. I was really excited about these. First up, I got the Jelly Pong Pong Lip Oil Color Infused Hydrating Lip Oil. You all know that I am obsessed with lip scrubs, treatments, oils. They are vegan, cruelty-free, that kind of stuff. And I thought that the packaging was bomb, and the color is amazing. So excited to try this. And then I also got from Seraphine, I've tried their products before, like blushes and highlights and stuff. This is the Berry and Juice Vegan Lip Gel. And I'm trying to see if it says what shade, but I don't see where it does say a shade. So that is the outer packaging. And that is what that looks like. So it is a Berry and Juice Lip Gel. I'm really excited about this as well. It is Cherry Compote. I want to smell this. Oh my word. You guys, this is legit the most amazing smelling lip product I've ever smelled in my entire life. Oh my God. That smells divine. I'm putting some on right now. Ooh. This is nice. Oh, this is really nice. Now, y'all know I'm not a fan of glosses, typically. So I really gear towards, especially going into like spring and summer, because I want something lighter on the lips. That's why I like lip gels and stains and oils. This smells absolutely amazing. Oh, and it feels really nice. It feels nice and slippy, not thick at all. Not sticky. Oh, I like this. You guys, this smells incredible. If you get the chance to try this, I need to see if there's other flavors. I'm sure there are, but holy shit, this smells incredible. 100% vegan lip oil. I'm glad I got this. Holy crap. With blackberry and raspberry extracts. That is exactly what it smells like too. Soybean, safflower, sunflower. I'm glad I got this. So that is super cool. I'm really excited about this because in the summertime, again, I like things to be just a little bit softer. I'm still always going to be a matte lippy girl, but it's really nice to have these. I will also try this out and let you guys know about this, but so far, I like this a lot. And that is it for my Ipsy bag this month. I'm really, really excited. Actually, since I know for sure I'm going to keep the shadow, let's go ahead and swatch her. And if you've heard of moods, then please let me know how you like them and what you think. But that packaging, you guys, I cannot get over that. That is adorable. I am loving that. So let's swatch it. Ew. Feels a little dry. But y'all know I'm not, I don't cut things short from swatching. Whoa, it actually swatches nicely. Okay, that swatches actually pretty nicely. It does feel a little dry, especially to be more of a metallic shade. But that is absolutely beautiful. And I like how it has kind of a slight gold reflect to it. I'm really, really excited to try this. I'm happy about this bag, you guys. Like, super fucking happy. So that is it for this particular bag. I also want to share with you guys a little purchase that I found today. I'm sure everybody knows already that you can go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington, places like that, and you can buy high-end name brand, you know, makeup, cosmetics, beauty items at a discounted price. Well, I have never in all my years of shopping and going there and doing makeup things, I've never tried Kevyn Aucoin makeup because it's expensive. And I found a Kevyn Aucoin palette today when I was there at Marshalls for $15, you guys, 15 bucks. And these are, even the little tiny palettes like this are like $36. So that is what the unit cart looks like. I just want to show y'all this, okay? I want y'all to see this. First of all, it is in a beautiful little felt bag. This palette, even though it is this small, is insanely heavy. I mean, very, very heavy. Then, not only is it in here, but y'all check this out. And it has fingerprints on it. Clearly someone messed with it. I will be sanitizing it. Yeah, don't clock me in the comments because y'all know I'm a germaphobe. But I couldn't pass it up because it was so fucking gorgeous. But it is the Neo Limelight Iridescent Glow Palette. I mean, hello. You guys, how absolutely fucking stunning is this? It's like a beautiful raspberry shade and gets darker and darker and like ombres into like a black cherry. Very heavy, very, very substantial. And then I'm going to show y'all the inside. Like, I mean, this thing is insane. Absolutely insane. Humongous mirror. Let's keep it back here so I don't blind you guys. Humongous mirror. And look how beautiful this is, you guys. How freaking stunning is that? You can see someone's fingerprint right there. So I'm going to spray it with alcohol. But it hadn't been dug into or anything like that. It literally looks like they just went doop. Which is what I'm going to do as well. I'm not putting this on my face for obvious reasons. But look how beautiful that is. And you're probably not going to be able to see it because it's quite light like my skin is. It feels incredible. I mean, I've never tried any of his products. And he is one of the very first, you know, he is the first, in my opinion, beauty guru. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to try this. I'm going to sanitize it quite well and sanitize the outside part of it as well with some Lysol wipes. But I wanted to share this with you guys. It was $15. So maybe check out your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls and maybe you can find you one. I'm hoping it's good. Even if not, just, you know, because I've always looked up to him because he is no longer with us and this is my very first product from him, I think I'm just going to keep it anyway, even if I never ever use it. But oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful. Like when I saw this, I could not believe it. Like I had other things in my cart. I had like a Too Faced palette and stuff like that. And then I saw this and I was like, nope, I'm putting everything else back. I've got to have this palette. So that is it. Thank you so much, beauties, for watching me. If you would, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. I would love, love, love to have you be part of my beauty family. I'm a little crazy, but that's okay. Crazy is a beautiful thing. But if you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you like this video at all, then please, please. I already said that. Yeah, I'm just going to say where I'm still sick and we're going to leave it on that. Anyways, if you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.